Hello there, it's Alicia here with NPTressTreats, and today I'm going to give you a video on the Autumn Wishes bonnet along with the Autumn Wishes My Best Hair Kit. So if you're unfamiliar with bonnets and scarves, one of the main reasons to use a bonnet and or scarf is to help save time, help to reduce frizz in your hair, help to minimize breakage, reduce breakage, tangles, knots, and no matter what hairstyle you have, what hair type you have. You know, I started NPTressTreats 8 years ago, and I've gone, you know, curly, straight. Now I have locks, and I still use a bonnet and a scarf. So no matter what hair type or style or length you have, a scarf and or bonnet can help you on your healthy hair journey. So today, again, I'm going to show you the Autumn Wishes. The Autumn Wishes was introduced as part of the fall line. This is the bonnet. I'm going to take this up on the inside. So this is the bonnet. It has a rust interior, which is absolutely gorgeous. It is reversible and it is double lined. So you can use the rust or you can use this print. So it has like, I don't know what these flowers are called, but it is a floral print with like orangish rust, kind of a peach color. And then again, rest on the inside. It does come with the option of the standard elastic, which is approximately 21 inches, or the drawstring option. So and that is for both the My Best Hair Kit and if you just want to purchase the bonnet on its own. So the reason why I created the My Best Hair Kit is to give you options to add if you want to use a scarf. And you can sleep with the scarf, you can wear the scarf, excuse my dog, you can wear this scarf out. You can use it to cover your pillow. You can use it to cover your headrest to help reduce frizz. So many options. You can wear it like a shirt, you know. I don't know, this color's so pretty. Like, tie it around, wear it as a shirt. So, yeah. So, the Autumn Wishes bonnet comes with the mini scrunchie. And the Autumn Wishes My Best Hair Kit comes with the standard medium-sized scrunchie. And for sizing reference, the medium size is typically it's for like thicker hair. It usually wraps around twice, and the mini is a little bit smaller. So again, so that is the Autumn Wishes. It is available, like I said, with the drawstring option and or the elastic, regular standard elastic band. It is available in 6 sizes. So it's baby, toddler, child, medium, regular, BAB/extra large, and the 6 sizing options are only available when you just buy the bonnet on its own. If you buy the My Best Hair Kit, it's only available in the 3 adult sizes. So yeah, so that is the Autumn Wishes. I'm going to show it to you again just so you can see. And it is available at NPTressTreats.com. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot me an email at info@nptresstreats.com. Thank you for watching. I'm going to drop the link to both items in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Love ya. Bye.